Hey guys, welcome back to Alpha Cave. Today we're going to discuss dividend stocks that have actually increased their dividend during the pandemic. So it's going to be rather interesting. I'm going to talk about 5 different stocks. But before we get into that, a couple things. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We're trying to grow this channel as much as possible, as fast as possible, so we can keep on making more and more videos. It's fun to make videos for you guys, but we really need your support, and thank you so much for signing on. Next, I want to thank Father Dave for such a good sermon today on YouTube. It was a great sermon. He's a Viking fan, unfortunately. We're Cowboy fans down here, but hey man, we support you and thank you for supporting us. Now, during this pandemic, we've learned a lot. We've learned a lot about how to deal with pandemics. We've learned a lot about how companies are responding to the pandemics. And we've seen some stocks and some companies that are doing fantastic through the pandemic and have not even felt a problem with this pandemic at all. They've actually done very good. They've succeeded and they keep on growing. And not only that, their dividend keeps on growing and expanding. So I want to talk about these 5 stocks today, not in any particular order. And I'm not saying for you to invest into them. I'm just saying these are some stocks that you might want to take a better look into and see if you think. We're not experts here as far as stocks are concerned, but we do like investing and we are increasing our knowledge every single day as far as the stocks that we get involved in. And over the years, we've actually improved how we invest as well. So I just want to give you some of that knowledge that we have and some of the things that we've looked into lately. So let's start in no particular order. Let's start with American Tower. So this is a REIT. It is a telecommunications infrastructure company. Their space is leased by AT&T and Verizon as well. Now, they've raised their dividend over the last 34 quarters in a row. So that is amazing. And that's the kind of company that you would want to put your money in, that they keep on increasing their dividend over this time. Now, they went up from 101 to $1.08 to $1.10 over the last few quarters. And so it keeps on going up. The price, as you may notice, a lot of these prices on these stocks will be a little high, but this one is at $249.59, and it's seems to be a great company to invest into. Let's go on to the next company. This one will be Northrop Grumman, and this is an aerospace and defense company. I was reading into this company, looking at their portfolio of things that they do. It is amazing how much they deal with, from nuclear war disaster type of events to all the defense things and submarine finders and all the different things that they do. It is amazing. And they have an annual dividend growth of about 12%. They pay out about 26% of their profits. Their dividend increased from $1.32 to $1.45 per quarter, and their current price is $344.75. Now, the next company that we have is American Waterworks. Now, this is the largest publicly traded water utility. It serves about 15 million people, and it's still growing across 46 states. They give out about 50 to 60% of their earnings, and their dividend increased from 50 to 55 cents per quarter. The price is $140.79 per share. The next company we have is Cogent Communications. This is an internet service provider. Now, they have increased their dividend 31 quarters in a row. They are one of the top 5 network providers worldwide as well, and their dividend increased from 66 cents to 70.5 cents per quarter. And this is actually the more reasonably priced company here. It's at $65.91. Might be something I look into further for possible investment into this company as well. The next one is Johnson & Johnson. Now, this one everybody knows. It's a pharmaceutical company, medical devices, possible COVID vaccine coming out with this one. Their dividend increased from 95 cents to $1.01 over each quarter, and their price is $153.42 currently. Now there's many stocks that have actually done very well and have increased their dividend. I looked at maybe about 20 or 30 of them, and I decided to talk about these 5 in particular, just so we can see some of the companies that we don't always pay attention to, but maybe we should. The American Tower is something that, I think that's going to keep on going. Northrop is an aerospace and defense company. That's going to keep on growing for sure. Their American Waterworks is a company that keeps on expanding and keeps on getting more customers every quarter. So I don't foresee them going south in any way at all. Their dividend just keeps on increasing as well. Then we have the Cogent Communications, which is more of a worldwide type of company as well. I believe they're going to keep on growing. They keep on giving more dividend every single quarter, which is a great thing. And then you really can't go wrong with Johnson & Johnson as a company. That is a very good company, a very strong company. The price is reasonable, and their dividend is more than reasonable for sure. Dividend stocks are one way to make good money in the stock market. It's definitely one way. Now, if you look at the other things that you need to look at, the growth of companies and things like that, you're looking at Tesla, you're looking at Apple, and those, of course, just split and gave more shares to all their shareholders. So those prices have come down. This week is probably going to be a good week to buy some Apple or Tesla shares if you want to as well. And that gives you just a little bit more diversity. And what we're looking for in your portfolio that you're building is some diversity. That way you know that if there is a pandemic, that your stocks are actually going to do very well. Plus, within those stocks, they're well diversified. You don't only have, one sector, or oil and gas, or technology. You have a nice diversity of stocks, but they're very safe and pandemic-proof stocks. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so we can keep on bringing you more and more and more videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a good week.